guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unlock chat on Roblox. So recently all Roblox accounts has always been writing unlock unlock chat, and a lot of people just have a lot of panic because they don't really know how to go about that. But in this video I'm going to show you how to do that in a very easy and simple way. So let's assume you want to play a game, right? So let's play Plants versus Brain Rots. I'm going to play it up. So this is the game right here. So it all starts when you want to chat, right? So when you click on chat right here, you won't be able to see that. So let me show you. Click on chat and you can see unlock chat right here. So click on that and it's going to take a while, and they have two-step verification. You're going to take either enter the code generated from your authenticator app or you verify. So click on use the other method. I'm going to use my pass key, so click on verified. So I'm going to put in my password, my fingerprint right now, because I already have a pass key for my Roblox app. Error, please try again. So I'm going to try it again. Okay, it's loading. So it's loading. It's going to take a while to actually, and you see, let's use the camera to do an age check. So this the new one where AI gets to put you in your age grade even if some is not correct. But let's do this together. Go click on continue and get ready for a camera. It will help us confirm you are 20 years old. Find a space with good lighting and take a photo of yourself, not parents or anyone. So I'm going to take a picture. Okay. So you can see. So it's going to estimate my age right now, and you can see we estimated your age is between 18 and 20. So I click on OK, and now I can now chat because they just unlocked mine. So it's very simple and easy to do. So go and get yours done now. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video. Bye.